This video contains more information about the following.
InfoPond for music venue operators. Is your team manually creating entire What's On pages for your venue each week? That's costly. Use InfoPond's database-driven systems to create What's On pages for your venue. It's much quicker and easier to create What's On pages. If your chosen performers are not already listed in InfoPond, 1,000 plus already exist, then enter them once, or perhaps ask them to create their own listing. From then on, simply click their name, date, and time. Repeat these 3 clicks for each band and a sorted and formatted What's On page is automatically created, like this. Our What's On pages are user interactive and visually driven. A simple click and your customers can play a performer's SoundCloud or YouTube or read their bio like this. Perhaps ask your regular talent pool to update their InfoPond calendar and you can easily check their availability, like this. You can also use InfoPond to easily display your menu to potential customers like this. InfoPond drives customers to your business by prominently surfacing your venue when the public seek to discover what's on. And InfoPond drives traffic to your existing web assets by displaying link buttons to chosen pages of your nominated web pages. All this is free to the public and to your venue. We simply ask venues to display our logo on their website and link it to the InfoPond app download page. Want to know more? Then use the Contact Us link located at infopond.com. InfoPond for tourism. Using InfoPond, your potential customers can easily and visually identify your venue, event, or activity. Your venue or event surfaces when potential customers are in your area or heading your way. They can locate you no matter where they are. That's the beauty of cell phone apps. And there's no need to download a different app for different regions. InfoPond content covers Australia today. Our multilingual direction service helps visitors identify, then get to the venue or event they heard about, and do so in their chosen language. We direct people to your web assets, and we don't seek commission or click-through fees. Our trade affiliates are free to do so. Apply to list your venue, event, or activity using the Contribute option in the InfoPond app. We will either reply directly or through one of our accredited regional affiliates so that they may provide local customer service. InfoPond for event organisers. Why spend thousands of dollars creating a short-term app for your event when you can create and list your event pages on InfoPond for free? Let InfoPond inform your target customers what's on, when, and where, like this. Customers easily find your event either visually or via our search bar. Does your event have multiple sites or venues? No problem. Let InfoPond visually identify each venue, like this. Your text-based information hosted on our cloud servers can be auto-translated using AI into 12 languages for a small fee. The public can use InfoPond to dynamically select their desired language and then listen to or read in that language. InfoPond drives the public to your event by prominently surfacing your venue when the public seek to discover current info about what's on. And InfoPond drives traffic to your existing web assets by displaying link buttons to chosen pages of your nominated web pages. InfoPond for libraries, historic societies, and other information providers. Is your information easily accessed by the public when and where they want it? Does your info surface when the user is in the geographical area relevant to your content? Why not use InfoPond to link geospatial locations to your relevant content? For example, link content about Ned Kelly to relevant locations, say the Old Melbourne Jail, and enable the public to view your Ned Kelly info as they approach the Old Melbourne Jail. Or link info on Ballarat to relevant locations in Ballarat. Or link content about early founders of Phillip Island to locations on Phillip Island. InfoPond is all about repurposing and surfacing info, easily and when desired by the public. Copyright status of your content remains as per the status quo. We simply link your content or repository to a geospatial location and seek no change to existing copyright. Also, if your text-based information is hosted on our cloud servers, it can be auto-translated using AI into 12 languages for a small fee. The public can use InfoPond to dynamically select their desired language and then listen to or read in that language. And InfoPond drives traffic to your existing web assets by displaying link buttons to chosen pages of your nominated web assets. InfoPond for museums and galleries. For a small fee, we can link your specified information, which we host in our cloud, to our 2D codes. Place a 2D code next to an artifact, and visitors to your venue can then use InfoPond to scan the 2D code to autoplay or read relevant information. Each code triggers InfoPond to display different information. Also, if your text-based information is hosted on our cloud servers, it can be auto-translated using AI into 12 languages. This is a very cost-effective manner to inform visitors about, for example, artifacts throughout your venue. InfoPond Multilingual Services. InfoPond offers very low-cost multilingual services. Text-based information, if hosted on our cloud, can be auto-translated using AI into 12 languages. The public can use InfoPond to dynamically select their desired language and then listen to or read in that language. Note: information not hosted on our servers is not translated. InfoPond's vertical markets. Each of the 5 prior services is treated by InfoPond as a vertical market. Contact us to understand more about our vertical markets. InfoPond Cloud Servers. An important point about InfoPond content and its cloud servers is that only users authorized by InfoPond can contribute content to our cloud servers. Our cloud servers enable registered users to contribute information. Registered contributors are each allocated an appropriate role, and permissions are associated to each role. This mitigates fake information and ensures contributors can only access and modify their own or their organization's pages, as well as see reports detailing public viewing of their pages. InfoPond. For more information, visit infopond.com.